Hi, and thanks for tuning into Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. Today we'd like to introduce you to the multi-lift personal transfer lift system, shown for use with the Speedy Bar hinge adapter in this beautiful Honda Crosstour SUV. The multi-lift, as you may know, is a multiple-purpose transfer lift designed around the unique concept that one lift does all of your lifting and transferring. So the same multi-lift that we're going to use to lift you into the passenger front of this vehicle could also be used in many other vehicles. In fact, up to 500 vehicles we have done with the multi-lift Speedy Bar transfer system. So the same lift could also be used in the rear of certain vehicles to lift the wheelchair. But it doesn't stop there. You can use the multi-lift, the very same unit, in your home to transfer you into and out of the bathtub, onto and off of your toilet, into and out of bed, or in conjunction with a portable base called the Easy Base so that you can travel virtually anywhere and get your lifting and transferring done. But it doesn't stop there again. We can use it in the SUVs, RVs, swimming pools, hot tubs, ATVs, you name it. If you need to do a lift or a transfer, it probably can be done with your same multi-lift system. So how does it work? Well, this Speedy Bar hinge adapter is designed specifically for the hinge of your vehicle. We simply place it, and there it is. There's no modification, no drilling whatsoever to your vehicle. Pick up the lift, which is cordless with a lithium-ion battery. Again, no modification to the vehicle. Place it on the Speedy Bar, and we're ready to do a transfer. Now, the sling system is kind of unique in that rather than having to put the sling on ahead of time, we actually can put the sling around the person, wrap it right around, no lifting, no transferring. So it's a little different from typical Hoyer type slings that you may be used to. Our next step, we put the user next to the vehicle, to the lift, connect the sling, raise. Once we're up and off the wheelchair, we'll move the wheelchair out of the way. Turn to face into the vehicle. Once we're all the way up in the air, feet go in first. Lower. For taller people, we'll go down lower. Once we're all the way in, raise. Move a little bit rearward here. And down we go. Next, we detach the sling, remove the lift, tuck the sling down. Now you can leave the sling in place or take it away for longer trips. Remove the Speedy Bar, and we're ready to hit the road. Access Unlimited is 100% dedicated to the idea that you should have mobility in the way you want, in the vehicle you want, with all the choices in the world, same as anybody else. If you'd like to learn more about our company and our philosophy, please like us on Facebook at facebook.com/accessun. We're on Twitter at AccessUN, Instagram at Access Unlimited, one word, Pinterest at Access Unlimited, two words. You can also go to our YouTube channel with nearly 4,000 videos at youtube.com/accessun. You can call us daytimes, Eastern Standard Time in the U.S., country code 1, 607-669-4822. In the evenings and weekends, no problem at all, up until 11 p.m. Country code 1615-873-0518. And most importantly, you can contact us on our website at www.accessunlimited.com. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch our video, and have a great day.